In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tailgate hinge on your Ford F-150. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and attached to the tailgate. Let's get started. Before we can remove our hinge, we need to pull the tailgate off the hinge. Pull outwards towards the back of the truck. We can lower the tailgate halfway and then pull it off the driver's side. With some tailgates, you can simply let it hang by the cables. With this one, we have some wiring harnesses going in that make it a little difficult. In our case, we can just remove one of these cables, simply pry out on the tab, and push the cable up, and it'll come off. Now with the driver's side cable removed, we can go ahead and lay the tailgate down in the bed. It'll lay itself down and not put any strain on the wiring harness or the other cable. Our tailgate harness was already disconnected from the body. If you need to remove this, you can certainly use a remover tool or a flathead screwdriver. To remove the driver's side hinge, we have two T50 bolts. We can remove our hinge. Installing our new hinge is just the reverse order of removing the old one. We'll go ahead and start our bolts in. And as you tighten this down, you want to line it up in the same orientation that the original one was. It's good to use some grease on the hinge. It'll help with installation, and it'll also help if you ever have to take the tailgate off again. We'll get the tailgate stood back up on the rear bumper. In order to reinstall our cable, simply press it over the stud and pull down, and it'll lock in. Now we can get our tailgate slid back onto the hinge. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we can lean the tailgate halfway down, lift up, we can just slide it onto the latch. On the passenger side of the vehicle, we can lay it down halfway, slide it onto the hinge. Then, close the tailgate, test out the tailgate, open it, give it a close, make sure it's all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.